Tired of your current saw struggling with those crucial resaw cuts or intricate curves in your woodworking projects? I've rigorously tested the top contenders to bring you the definitive list of the best bandsaws for 2025. After weeks in the workshop, evaluating everything from cut precision and resaw capacity to overall build quality, I've pinpointed the machines that truly deliver. Each of these bandsaws has unique features that could be exactly what your shop needs, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. The SKIL 2.8 9-inch benchtop band. Saw is a compact unit. It's really designed for your hobby projects or smaller workshop. Its 2.8 amp induction motor runs quietly. This type of motor often means a longer tool life for you. You'll find its 2-speed drive system quite useful. It lets you adjust blade speed for different wood types. Changing speeds is tool-free, which is a nice touch. Getting the right blade tension is crucial for clean cuts. This saw features a quick blade tension setting. It simplifies getting that tension just right for your work. Precision ball bearing guides help keep your blade tracking straight. This prevents wandering during cuts, giving you more control. The lower blade guides also contribute to overall accuracy. If you need to make bevel cuts, the table adjustment is key. Its rack and pinion system allows for precise angle changes. It makes setting up for angled cuts pretty straightforward. You can connect your shop vac to the 2.5-inch dust port. This helps keep your cutting line clear and your workspace tidier. A miter gauge is included, helping you make accurate crosscuts. The saw sits on a sturdy steel base for good stability. Plus, a blade tracking sight window lets you easily monitor the blade. Pros: fits well in limited workshop spaces, operates quietly with its induction motor, adjusts cutting speed for various materials. Cons: its motor might struggle and with very thick hardwoods. This SKIL band saw really shines for light-duty tasks. It's a solid choice if you're starting woodworking, or perhaps you just need a saw for smaller projects. If that sounds like you, it's worth a look. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. The Gratifer 9-inch band saw really stands out in the benchtop category. It's built for woodworking and can handle light metal too. Its 3-amp induction motor is a key feature. It delivers smooth power with less noise. This offers a bit more power than some similar benchtop models. You'll appreciate that quiet operation in your workshop. Induction motors also tend to last longer. Blade speed is 2,500 feet per minute. This is effective for clean cuts in wood. You have a 9.34-inch throat. This gives you good width for many projects. The 3x12-inch depth capacity is also practical. It accepts common 59 to 1/2-inch blades. You can fit blades from 1/8 to 3/8-inch wide. This range lets you tackle intricate curves or straight resaws. The cast aluminum table tilts up to 45 degrees for bevels. What I find particularly useful is its 360-degree adjustable LED work light. It actively illuminates your cut line precisely, which is a step up from basic sight windows. Keeping your area clean is easier with the dust port. Just connect your shop vacuum. A dual safety switch is standard. You also get a miter gauge and rip fence. These are essential for accurate crosscuts and rip cuts. The steel frame provides good stability, minimizing vibration. Pre-use delivers notably smooth and quiet operation, enhances visibility with its adjustable LED, offers versatility for various cutting needs. Cons: as a benchtop unit, as it's best suited for small to medium tasks, the Gratifer saw impresses with its quiet, steady performance. It's a great fit if you're doing detailed woodworking, or if your workshop space is a bit limited. This makes it a compelling choice for many hobbyists. You can buy directly from Amazon using the link of the description. Number 3. The Woodskill 9-inch band. Saw is a solid benchtop option. I've seen quite a few, and this one has some thoughtful touches. Its 3-amp induction motor is a real workhorse. It runs smoothly and, importantly, quietly. That's a big plus in a smaller shop. Induction motors like this tend to have a good lifespan. It also features a heat dissipation system. Blade speed hits 2,500 feet per minute. This gives you clean, precise cuts in various woods. You get a 9-inch throat, which is standard for this class. The 3.5-inch cutting depth is practical for many projects. It accepts blades from 1/8 up to 3/8-inch wide. This versatility lets you switch from intricate scroll work to resawing smaller stock. The cast aluminum table tilts smoothly up to 45 degrees. This makes setting up for bevel cuts straightforward. A miter gauge is included for accurate crosscuts. Safety is well considered with a double safety switch. The steel base feels sturdy, helping to minimize vibration. For dust, there's a 2.5-inch port. Hook up your shop vac, and it does a decent job. A saw wheel dust brush also helps keep the blade path clear. Pros: delivers smooth, notably quiet operation, offers good versatility for detailed cuts, features robust safety and dust management. Cons: you might want to invest in a better blade sooner rather than later. This Woodskill saw really focuses on providing reliable, quiet performance. It's a strong contender if you're doing detailed woodworking, or if you need a capable saw that won't dominate your workspace. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. The Greddifer 9-inch bandsaw is another benchtop unit to consider. It's really designed for woodworking and a range of DIY projects. One of its more notable features is the dual speed setting. You can select either 1700 or 2500 RPM. This versatility is great because it lets you fine-tune your cut. You can match the blade speed to different wood types effectively. Softer woods generally like higher speeds. Harder ones benefit from a slower approach. Powering this saw is a 3-amp induction motor. As you might know, these motors are typically quieter. They also tend to have a good operational lifespan, which is always a plus. If you need to make angled cuts, the work table tilts. It goes from a flat 0 degrees all the way to 45 degrees. This makes setting up for those bevel cuts pretty straightforward. The saw also includes a miter gauge and a rip vents. These are pretty essential accessories for guiding your material accurately. They really help you achieve precise straight cuts and assist with curves too. I also appreciate that blade tension adjustments are tool-free. That's a nice user-friendly touch for quick and easy setup before you start cutting. What I find particularly useful on this model is the 360-degree adjustable work light. It really lets you direct focused illumination right onto your cut line. Good visibility is crucial, and this definitely improves your accuracy. The saw itself sits on a robust steel base. This is designed to minimize annoying vibrations during operation, leading to cleaner work. For safety, there's a standard safety switch, an important feature. Keeping your workspace a bit cleaner is also addressed. It has a 2-1 or 2-inch dust port, so you can connect your shop vac. Internally, precision ball bearings and a lower blade guide work together. They ensure the blade tracks consistently, which is key for precise cutting performance. That dual speed feature, especially, gives it a bit more flexibility than some simpler saws in this category. Pros: adapts cutting speed for various wood types, improves cut line visibility with its flexible work light, simplifies setup with tool-free blade tensioning. Cons: its 3-amp motor might find very dense hardwoods a bit challenging. This Gratifer saw offers a good combination of features for its size. If you're a hobbyist or dyer tackling various small woodworking projects, it's a capable option to look into. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. The Jet 14. Bandsaw is a machine that, frankly, impresses with its substantial build quality. You'll immediately feel the difference its cast iron upper and lower frame makes. This provides serious, reassuring stability and really cuts down on vibration. That's crucial when you're aiming for those perfectly clean, intricate cuts without any chatter. It offers a solid 6-inch cutting capacity, so you can confidently tackle larger stock for resawing or bigger projects. What I particularly appreciate are the graphite guides. These aren't just a minor feature. They genuinely reduce friction and heat on the blade. This means your blades can last longer, saving you hassle, and your cuts are noticeably smoother. Adjusting the upper blade guide is quite straightforward. It uses a rack and pinion system, allowing for very precise, repeatable height changes. The lower blade guide is micro-adjustable, which, let me tell you, simplifies getting that fine-tuning absolutely perfect for optimal blade support. Blade tracking uses a single knob, a feature that makes alignment much less of a chore, getting you to work faster. The precision computer-balanced 6-spoke wheels also contribute significantly to the smooth operation. They ensure minimal vibration and help maintain that critical, accurate blade tracking cut after cut. This saw is powered by a 1-horsepower motor. Pros: offers exceptional stability from its robust cast iron frame, enables highly precise adjustments for intricate guide and blade setup, features graphite guides, promoting smoother cuts and extended blade life. Cons: its 1-horsepower motor might be pushed when working with very thick, dense hardwoods. Ultimately, this jet bandsaw stands out for its consistent stability and the precision it offers. If you're a dedicated hobbyist looking to elevate your work, or you manage a smaller professional workshop where reliable accuracy across various cutting tasks is paramount, this machine is certainly worth a close look. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.